My name is Ivan, and I'm a member of the Data Skills 25th cohort at the Information Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to structure data from your CV. This will let you know how to transform your CV into a data set that you can use in Tableau to create a viz. This will allow you to actually show your Tableau skills when applying for a job. So let's jump right into Excel and see the format of the data. This is an example of my CV. So first of all, I've created a column for activity. And in my case, we can see that I have my university, college, and then my different skills: IT, numeracy and analysis, teamwork and leadership, and so on. And then I have my work. The next column is the title of the activity. So I have the specific degree I did in university. I have my A levels for college. For work, I have the role at the company. The next column is category for my activity. For the university, it's education, and the same for college. Then I have my skills and my work. Then I have the description, which provides some detail about the activity. The next columns are my start date and my end date, which apply to my study and my work. Then I have my grade. So I got a first in my degree and 2 A's and a C in college. The last column is skill, which is the level of my proficiency. We can see the different software I have: Alteryx, Microsoft Office, SQL, RStudio, and Tableau, and I've graded those skills out of 10. So this is the structure we need for our data. We can now connect to it in Tableau and create an interactive viz. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand how to structure your data for your CV. Please check the description of this video for links to additional materials that you might find useful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get notified when we release new videos.